I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the fastest and easiest way to clean out the filter of your dishwasher. I have a Whirlpool dishwasher. It's pretty simple. It pulls right out, but we beat up our dishwasher really bad. We're a family of 5, so this happens quite often. I have to do this about once a week. So I'm going to start by just grabbing all of the chunks of food and stuff out of here, and then I'm going to grab the filter. I'm just getting all the food that's stuck on the top here of the filter. Just anything that's big and kind of be easily cleaned out or knocked off, but this is what the filter looks like. Give you guys a look on the inside. You can see all the gunk built up here. So I'm just gonna set that down for a second and keep grabbing the rest of chunks off the bottom here. I've got our filter here. I'm just going to turn my water on reasonably hot and just going to literally scrub away all the gunk and grime. I'm going to take this bottle brush and just kind of scrub away on the inside here. You could use a regular sponge for this. I just find that a bottle brush really gets in there. So just to give you guys another peek inside this filter, no soap, just water and a little scrubbing. You guys can see just how well that all came out. Just make sure I got all the chunks cleaned out, all like that soap residue and the kind of gunky stuff that builds up grime wise. And now I'm just gonna pop this right back in my dishwasher and it's ready to go. And just like that, it's ready to go. To pull this out of your dishwasher, you'll see it has a lock and an unlock with little arrows. So to unlock it, you twist clockwise, and then to lock it back in place, you twist it counterclockwise, just to make sure that it's locked back in. Other than that, you're ready to go, and you just cleaned out the filter of your Whirlpool dishwasher.